Welcome back to Military Now. The F-15X is a ready-now replacement for the F-15C that includes best-in-class payload, range and speed, designed to deliver value to the U.S. Air Force. The F-15X will be a backbone fighter for the service, not just today, but for the next several decades. Boeing engineers created hundreds of digital aircraft before cutting any metal, and flew thousands of hours before our first test flight. The result is an aircraft with a digital backbone, open system architecture and the capacity to carry hypersonic weapons, making it a key element of the U.S. Air Force's tactical fighter fleet. With next-generation technologies that provide improved survivability across a broad spectrum of environments, the complementary capabilities of F-15X enable a more balanced force structure that will remain of current and emerging threats for decades. Low-risk technology investments have enhanced the F-15X's maneuverability, acceleration, durability, computing power and weapons carriage to improve interoperability and strengthen deterrence via the inherent strength of a diversified portfolio. Units converting to F-15X can transition within weeks or months, not years, of receiving new aircraft. These benefits, combined with the lowest cost per flight hour in its class, make F-15X the total life cycle solution to meet U.S. Air Force capacity requirements. Built on a digital thread, F-15X serves as a pathfinder for the Department of Defense's DevSecOps initiative aimed at developing secure, flexible and agile software. F-15X enables rapid technology insertion that ensures the platform's relevance for decades to come. This is accomplished by an open mission systems architecture delivering advanced battle management systems, ABMS, capabilities, allowing F-15X to operate independently while isolated and reconnect to the global cloud when conditions permit. Boeing's advanced manufacturing will provide software automated tools, services and standards that enable programs to develop, secure, deploy and operate applications in a secure but flexible and interoperable way.